Fractions are powerful because they can be interpreted in many ways. First, we can think of fractions as parts of wholes or parts of sets. I could have a circle broken into 4 equal parts with 3 shaded, so that would be 3/4. If I had 6 circles with 3 shaded, that would represent 3 out of 6, or 1/2. So this is our first way to think about fractions, as parts of wholes or parts of sets. The second way we can think of fractions is as division. If we wanted to share 3 sandwiches equally among 4 people, then each person gets 3/4 of a sandwich. So this way, we're thinking of it as division. We're trying to take something and break it evenly into equal groups, and we have fractions that result from that. The third way, we can think of fractions as ratios. Something like there are 5 girls out of every 6 boys. Or 7 out of 10 free throws were made. Both of these are examples of ratios, which eventually, if you stick with it, we will discuss more in detail later. Fourth, we can think of fractions as operators. I could say I spent 3/4 as much time reading as playing. Or you made 3/2 times more than last year. These are examples of operators, usually used when we're doing some kind of comparison. Finally, we can think of fractions as measures. We could say the recipe uses 2/3 cups of milk. Or I ran 3/5 of a mile. We're trying to measure something in both of these situations. Seeing fractions in all 5 of these ways helps students understand they are real numbers, not just pictures. You're learning to give students multiple doors into the same idea.